The Orbiter 3 UAV is a game-changer in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. Developed by the Israeli company Aeronautics, this drone is compact, versatile, and perfectly suited for a wide range of applications. With a maximum takeoff weight of 32 kilograms and a flight time of up to 6 hours, the Orbiter 3 UAV is an impressive piece of technology that can accomplish a lot. One of the standout features of the Orbiter 3 UAV is its ability to launch without the use of a runway. This means that the drone can be launched from virtually anywhere, making it an ideal choice for missions in remote locations or areas where a runway is not available. This feature also makes the Orbiter 3 UAV a more flexible and versatile option than many other drones on the market. In addition to its runway-free launch capabilities, the Orbiter 3 UAV is also equipped with a wide range of payloads that can be tailored to suit a variety of tasks. Whether you need a high-resolution camera for reconnaissance missions, a laser designator for targeting, or a thermal imager for monitoring, the Orbiter 3 UAV has you covered. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications, including security, surveillance, and emergency response. One of the key components of the Orbiter 3 UAV is the TD Stamp Stabilized Multi-Sensor Station System developed by Contra Precision Technologies. This system includes a high-precision CCD camera, a cooled high-resolution thermal imager, FLIR, and a laser designator, all of which work together to provide accurate and reliable target detection and targeting. This advanced sensor suite makes the Orbiter 3 UAV an incredibly capable and effective tool for surveillance and reconnaissance. Another key advantage of the Orbiter 3 UAV is its ability to operate in a wide range of conditions. Whether you're dealing with harsh weather, low visibility, or the absence of GPS, the Orbiter 3 UAV is designed to keep working, no matter what. This is thanks to a range of protective features, including water and dust protection, which allow the drone to operate in high humidity or dusty conditions without any issues. Finally, the Orbiter 3 UAV is capable of ground target destruction thanks to its ability to be equipped with spiked missiles. This makes it a highly effective tool for military or law enforcement operations, allowing targets to be destroyed quickly and efficiently from a safe distance.